Just pour Listerine on your feet and wait. When you discover what it does, you'll want to try it today. A lady from the countryside taught me this. She used this trick after a long day on her feet, cleaning the house, doing laundry, taking care of her grandchildren. And look, after I tried it exactly as she explained, I never stopped doing it. The first thing we'll need is a basin. Start by putting in 1 liter of hot water. Since it's usually quite hot, add another ½ liter of cold water to reach the ideal temperature for your feet. This tip is simple, totally homemade. No expensive creams or products full of promises. Just ingredients you already have at home. Now that the water is at the right temperature, here's the first ingredient, salt. 2 tablespoons. It can be regular table salt. Next, add 2 scoops of Listerine. This is essential, but I'm not going to tell you why yet. Just wait a little longer. Now comes the special touch, olive oil. Add 2 generous tablespoons. It might seem strange, but believe me, this makes all the difference in the final result. Have you heard of this? Have you seen your mother or grandmother doing something similar? Comment here. There are things we forget over time, but that still work better than many expensive products out there. Look how dry your feet get. And this is just one example of what happens when we wear flip-flops all day or live barefoot inside the house, something many housewives do without realizing it. The problem is that, over time, the lack of hydration doesn't just cause cracks. It paves the way for hard calluses, painful fissures, and invisible fungi that hide under the skin. And the worst part is, many people only notice when it's already hurting. With everything ready, soak your feet in the mixture and leave them for about 20 minutes. Relax and feel your body resting while your skin absorbs each ingredient. And now you must be wondering, okay, but why exactly am I doing this to my feet? The answer is coming now and might surprise you. This simple mixture has a powerful effect. It targets exactly the root causes, deep cracks, hardened calluses, chilblains that have bothered you for years, and hidden fungus under your nails that many people don't even realize they have. And it doesn't stop there. While the ingredients work, your body relaxes, your feet reduce swelling, and your skin absorbs every drop of this natural formula. You can feel the relief that follows afterward, even after the first use. If you do this just twice a week, you can say goodbye to dry feet, pain when walking barefoot, and even discomfort at bedtime. If your feet also get dry and cracked, try this tip tonight. Then tell me in the comments if it worked. And if you know someone who suffers from this, show them this video. They'll thank you later.